All right, so we're gonna heat up some bread. Got some frozen bread here. First, I'm just gonna turn it on. Bam, it's on. Now, I think I can just turn this, and it gives me, like, that's 24 seconds at 350 degrees. Let's turn it up. I'm gonna go for a minute. There we go. So I just spin this and it just gives me like whatever the time is up here. And that's the easy way to do it. And then I just open it up. This thing pulls this out, right? And then I gotta get a piece of bread out of here. All right, so I'm gonna grab some bread. I think I'm gonna set it on this one here, right? Even though I could put it on this one. Well, let's put it on this one. That way we can pull it out afterwards. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and shut it. And then I think I just gotta click that, and bam, Bob's your uncle. And now we just gotta wait for it to heat up. I think that's how you use it. There's a bunch of other things on here. You can change the temperature, you can change the time, you can preheat it. You can do the probe to check out how hot it is. I've got the probe right here. Then you can warm something up, top to bottom, light. And I think that's it right there. If we hit this, let's see if we can see what's in there. Oh, look at that. We got a light in there. Turn it off. I don't think I need the light on. But that's it. That's pretty much how you use it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.